Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today I'm gonna make a different meal with these attractive beans. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients are bridal beans 2 cups, onion 1 large, garlic porridge 1 dessert spoon, potato 1 medium, mushrooms 8, tomato paste 3 tablespoons, salt, black pepper and turmeric as you need, and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. First, peel a large onion. In these types of foods, the more you add the onion, the more delicious they are. Then slice or chop the onion. Put a pot on the stove and add some oil to it. When the oil is hot, add the sliced onion and saute. Meanwhile, peel the potato and chop it into small cubes. Now slice the mushrooms as well. Don't forget to stir the onions. Stir the onion slices. When they are gold, you can add the potato and saute a little. After a while, add the beans that you have soaked before and stir them. Now it's time to add the spices: turmeric, salt, black pepper. Mix them well until you can smell the aroma of the turmeric. After that, add the tomato paste and sauté with other ingredients. You could also sauté the tomato paste and the spices separately in a pan and then add them to the pot. Now, add some cold water to the pot so that it covers the surface of the beans. Put the lid and cook it on low heat. This type of beans is fast cooked, so check them from time to time. When they're cooked, add the mushroom slices and let cook for another 10 minutes. Meal is ready to serve. Bon appetit! Dear friends, this was today's meal. I hope you make it and enjoy it during cold winter nights. Please follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another delicious recipe, goodbye.